My people, wonders they say shall never end.
Sure. These are white birds. You can't be feeding them. Let me read.
Waiting my eyes see for this video where I want make on a watch. I never see them in real life before. If at all I don't ever see anything like that, maybe not for Nollywood movies. Honestly, this small baby we wanna see for this video now. According to the father, since where they born this pikin, he gets some birds where they visit the pikin, as in birds where they fly. Go just come visit the pikin. No be saying I one particular bird though. They like 2 or 3 different birds where they always come visit this pikin. If this one come today, tomorrow another one go come. And according to the father, anytime these birds visit, the bird go just there relaxed until the father using hand carry the bird, come outside, as in come outside, free the bird, say make the bird go. If not, the bird no they go. Now so you go just perch where the pikin dey. Sometimes if their doors are closed, the bird will come and stay on their window. How do you explain this kind of thing? A child, bird visiting that child always. Could this be some kind of spiritual thing, maybe an evil spirit, or do you think it's divine? I don't know what I want to think, my people, because this kind of thing surprised me. Make I allow when I watch the video.
Sure. Wow, Rado.
Leave him.
No, let me release it.
Leave him.
No, let me release it. Waiting will eat. These are white birds. You can't be feeding them. Let me read. You see it. Okay.
It is very comfortable here like this. Yes, Samba. But once you touch it now, it might fly. But if it's like this, it can be like this. You go and come back. It will not move. Yes, Samba. You see, huh? It's like this. So it will not move. It will not go anywhere. It will be like this. But if you carry it out now, it will fly. But like this, it is. You will come and catch it. You carry her with this pikin. You will go everywhere. It will never fly.
See, for those of you asking, how does it enter? This can be which can be this?
Baby dog.
No, this one is baby dog. This one is baby dog. A big dog. So not small dog. Go. Go now. Video the bed. Which color it is? And at the same color with the have a clue to. See the tail. I swear to God.
Red tail.
She no one fly me. Nina tell him to fly. Eh? Tell her to fly. No one fly.
You don't go.
Sure. Wow, Rado.
Leave him.
No, let me release it.
Leave him.
No, let me release it. Waiting will eat. These are white birds. You can't be feeding them.
My people, what do I think about this strange bird? Looking at the father of this child, he's not even, the way he's behaving, he's so relaxed. He behaves as if the bird visiting his child is normal. Me, I no go fit. If something like this happen in my house, I don't know as I want to take react to, but I know say I no go remain the same. I go just watch my pikin. One strange bird go just visit him. Say wetin happen? Which connection he get with the bird? And the pikin go just relax. They feel like say, wow. Oh, this one shocked me.
Dare to fly.